Greetings, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to share a simple and effective way to get rid of fire ants. I'm growing pineapples in these food-safe paint buckets that have never been used, and you can see I've got this massive ant nest, which has colonized one of my biggest pineapple plants. It kind of seems like the ant nest runs through the whole container and then goes underground, because when I kick the plant a little bit, you'll see all these ants coming up from the bottom of the container. So for our solution here, I have obtained some orange oil, which I've mixed with about a gallon of water. Now I'm only using 4 ounces of orange oil in this container here and 1 gallon of water. You don't need that much. I could have used 2 ounces for a container this size, but because these plants are eventually going in my garage for the winter, I wanted to make sure the fire ants were thoroughly disposed of. This part of the video is after my application of the water and orange oil solution. And I did use that whole gallon on this one container. I spread out another gallon mixture over the other 3 pineapple plants I have. There are no fire ants left. I've dug around around the top here, and I've watered it in, and absolutely no fire ants are coming up. And then up from the bottom here, we've got totally no fire ants, which is perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for with these cooler temperatures coming in. We want to get our tropical plants that we're zone pushing here in 8B ready for the garage for their heat lamps this winter. So I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks again for watching Austin, Texas Gardening.